Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review Sling TV. We'll talk about the pros, cons, features, pricing, and so many other things. So stay tuned and let's begin. Sling TV is one of the most popular options when it comes to cable TV, and it's one of the more affordable options as well. And in this video, I'll talk about the main categories like content and channel lineup, user experience, features, and functionality, channel lineup, and content. Sling TV offers a flexible selection of channels through its two primary packages, Sling Orange and Sling Blue. Compared to YouTube TV or Whole Plus TV, Sling TV doesn't offer nearly as comprehensive of a channel lineup, but that is its goal, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. Regardless of which package you choose, there are a standard 28 channels that you will get. Some of the more notable channels are CNN, Comedy Central, TNT, and several others. And when you get Sling Orange, you'll get 6 unique channels. And these channels are Disney Channel, ESPN, ESPN2, ESPN3, Freeform, and Motor Trend. On the other hand, when you choose Sling Blue, you will get 14 additional channels. And these channels include Bravo, Discovery Channel, FS1, FX, Fox News, HLN, MSNBC, NFL Network, Nat Geo, SYFY, TLC, USA, USA Olympics, 4K, and True TV. Additionally, Sling TV offers add-ons and extra packages such as Sports Extra, Kids Extra, and News Extra. So you are pretty much covered for a lot of the channels you may be interested in. For those of you that want a broader selection and want more channels, you can actually combine both packages. This is a unique selling point of Sling TV and also why it makes it one of the more affordable options. And when we talk about the pricing later on, you will understand exactly what I mean. On top of that, Sling TV does offer the premium add-ons like many other streaming services, such as HBO, Showtime, Stars. So you can really tailor your viewing experience just how you like it. Now, before we move on, I want to talk about price because that is a key factor as to why Sling TV is such an appealing option to many. As I have mentioned, there are a couple of different packages. You can choose from Sling Orange, Sling Blue, or both. If you choose either of both, Sling Orange or Sling Blue, each one of them separately will cost you $40 per month. But when you combine both Sling TV and Sling Orange at the same time, you will get all the channels with only $55 per month. And this is actually the surprise here. So compared to other streaming platforms, this is definitely one of the most inexpensive and can potentially save you $20 to $30 depending on what you choose. Now let's talk about the user experience and interface. The user interface is very simple and straightforward. Most users won't have a problem finding all their shows and movies and navigating different channels. Also, setting up profiles is another easy process, much like every other streaming platform. It doesn't take a lot of time, it's not very hard, and it gets you right to the point. Plus, Sling TV is very accessible through many other devices. So whether you are using it on TVs, smartphones, tablets, computers, whatever you use, it's easy to sign in and start watching. The home screen is meant to show you the content that you are more than likely interested in. All this stuff is going to be based on over of what you are interested in and what you have watched in the past. And of course, I cannot forget about the TV guide. If you are used to traditional TV guide to help you find current and upcoming program, this is where you want to go. You can find it on the sidebar menu and it's very simple to navigate. You can even see that it has a bunch of different categories to help you file down what you are looking for. Moving on, let's talk about the DVR tab. This is where you are going to manage all your recordings. With the Sling-based package, you start off with 50 hours of cloud storage. However, that can be upgraded for $5 a month extra to get up to 100 hours. And recording is very easy and simple. All you have to do is to find the record button and then add it straight into your DVR. Now let's talk about the standout features. As I said before, the affordability of Sling TV is one of the main reasons a lot of people are switching and considering Sling TV as their streaming platform, because cable TV has gotten so expensive in YouTube TV and Whole Plus Live TV, sometimes at the higher end of people's budgets. So Sling TV offers that perfect price point for people that still want live content without really breaking the bank. Sling TV is ideal for the person that knows exactly what they watch and they don't need 80 channels or more to just waste money on. And because I know you are asking, Sling TV does offer multiple streams. If you do Sling Blue, you get up to 3 simultaneous streams. If you choose Sling Orange, you get one. If you want 4 simultaneous streams, then you get Sling Blue and Orange. And lastly, as a very welcome feature, Sling TV does offer on-demand content. And don't worry, you're not gonna pay double the price in order to get this type of content. And also, this feature doesn't exist in all TV live streaming services, like YouTube TV, for example. In conclusion, Sling TV is a great option for those that are looking for features such as affordability, flexibility, simple user interface, necessary channels, on demand content, etc. So, whether you are in the Golden Isles of Georgia or the Emerald Coast of Florida, pairing Sling TV with our ultra fast, reliable fiber optic internet is the best option for you. So, you can now go and check it, try it for at least 1 month, and probably you will admire the experience. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.